Hello, my dear student. Lecture number 1 for CBSE Board. Chapter number 10 Circles. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some terms related to circles. You know that terms. You have learned about this term in 9th standard. Okay. Tangent to a circle. A line that intersects the circle at only one point is called tangent. Point is called contact point. There is only one tangent at a point of circle. Theorem number 1. The tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. That means, suppose this is a circle with center O and this is OP is radius of circle. And if you draw perpendicular from this point to this radius, then that line is called tangent. Okay, so in this case AB is tangent, P is a point of contact, and in this case remember tangent is always perpendicular to radius passing through the point of contact. If line AB is tangent to the circle with center O, at point P, then radius CP, radius OP is perpendicular to the tangent XY or what? Tangent AB. CP is perpendicular to AB. Okay. Now, to more explanation, I will take some example from exercise 10.1. Okay, now very basic questions are here. Try to understand. Question number 1. How many tangents can a circle have? So, you can draw what many tangents, because circle is a locus of point of what many points in a plane, okay, which are equidistant from a single point O. Okay, so how many tangents can a circle have? Many, or we can draw infinite number of tangents. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. A tangent to a circle intersects it in only one point. Number 2. A line intersecting a circle in 2 points is called secant. A circle, number 3. A circle can have 2 parallel tangents at the most. Okay, you can draw 2 parallel tangents at the most. There are only 2 tangents, those are passing through the end points of diameter. Question number 4. The common point of tangent to circle and the circle is called point of contact. Question number 3. A tangent PQ at a point P of a circle of radius 5 cm meets a line through the center O at a point Q so that OQ is equal to 12 cm. Length of PQ is, now in this case, now this is a circle with center O, this is radius OP given 5 cm, and this is a tangent, PQ is tangent. So, and if you join OQ, then OQ is equal to 12 given. Okay, then find the length of PQ. So now you know tangent is perpendicular to radius, therefore this angle is equal to 90 degree, and hence this is right angle triangle. So use Pythagoras theorem to find this. So PQ square is equal to OQ square minus OP square. Okay, substitute values. So sec OP perpendicular tangent PQ theorem, and in triangle OPQ angle P is equal to 90 degree, and therefore PQ square is equal to OQ square minus OP square, Pythagoras theorem, and therefore PQ square is equal to 144 minus 25 gives you 119, and therefore PQ is equal to under root 119 centimeter. So option D. Question number 4. Draw a circle and two lines parallel to a given line such that one is a tangent and the other a secant to the circle. Okay. So line L is given. So this is a line L given. Line AB is tangent to the circle at point C. Line PQ is secant to the secant, okay, which is parallel to given line. So now how you draw this? First one, you draw a circle with center O and draw this line, given line L. Then draw parallel line passing through point C. Okay, so you can draw perpendicular to line L passing through C. Okay, so keep your compass point here and take some distance more than what this half and draw what this arc. Similarly, keep your compass point here and cut this arc. So this point is, if you join this C, this is a perpendicular bisector of what this part means this chord, and from this again you draw perpendicular to this line. So you know that also the perpendicular from given point on the line. Okay, so take some distance, equal distance from both the sides of C, and keep your compass point on both points and take sufficient distance. So this is a perpendicular and hence and passing through the point C, and therefore this is tangent to the circle, and then draw what parallel to this line. Okay, some term related to circle. AB, now this is a circle with center O. AB, this is AB, is diameter of circle OB. So this part is radius of circle. D is equal to 2R, diameter is equal to double of R, and R is equal to half of diameter. Circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi R or pi D. Area of circle is equal to pi R square. So in this case, PQ, XY are chords of chords. PQ, this is PQ, XY are chords. Diameter AB is longest chord. Okay, so this diameter is also a chord, but which is what longest chord. Line DE is secant. So this is DE, line secant. Intersect circle at 2 points. The MN is tangent to the circle at point R. So this is MN and this is a contact point. Okay. So today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.